guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me for another CVS Deals video. This is a brand new ad and we have some deals going on. Every time you shop at CVS, make sure you're scanning the items on your phone to see what coupons or CRTs they're attaching to help with the deals you're doing. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And check the description box for a link to a Google Doc of all the deals I shared in this video in case you need to print them out. And let's go find some deals. Let's start with some Colgate deal. The Colgate Max toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 and part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up two for a total of $7.98. Use a 3 of 2 Colgate digital coupon and you pay $4.98, get 4 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is buy one get $3 back, and the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion and the 8.4-ounce Nivea body lotion is part of this deal. And I have two options I'm going to share. The first option is to pick up the 5-ounce Eucerin lotion on sale for $4.99. Use the $2 digital coupon and you pay $2.99, get 3 back, making it free. The second option is to pick up one 8.4-ounce Nivea body lotion on sale for $4.99, pay $4.99 and get 3 back, making it just $1.99. My next deal is spend $10 on any Maybelline cosmetics, you get $3 back. Pick up the Maybelline concealer priced at $11.39. Use a $4 off Maybelline Extra Care coupon and you pay $7.39, get 3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1, and that will make it just $2.39. The next deal I have is spend $10 on any Hansen cosmetics or beauty tools, you get $4 back. And I have two options for this deal. The first option is to pick up a Hansen nail polish priced at $9.99, and that's within the 98% rule for spend $10. Use a $3 Sally Hansen Extra Care coupon and you pay $6.99, get $4 back, then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. That will end up making it just 99 cents. The second option I have is to pick up two Sally Hansen hard as nail priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98 and that's also within the 98% rule for spend 10. Use the $3 off Sally Hansen Extra Care coupon and you pay $6.98 and get 4 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each nail polish. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 10 back on Real Technique or Eco Tools cosmetic tools. Pick up one Real Technique powder puff priced at $6.79 and one Real Technique sponge with case priced at $8.69. These two will total $15.48. Pay the $15.48 and you get 10 back, making them $5.48 or $2.74 each. My next deal is spend 10 get 5 back on any Neutrogena acne care. Pick up one Neutrogena pore cleanser priced at $11.99. Use the $3.50 off Neutrogena digital coupon and you pay $8.49, get 5 back, making it just $3.49. My next deal is on Neutrogena makeup remover wipes and they're on the deal of buy two get $7 back. Pick up 2 packs priced at $7.79 each. Both will total $15.58. Use the 4 off 2 Neutrogena digital coupon and you will pay $11.58, get 7 back, making them $4.58 or $2.29 each. My next deal is on Clean and Clear Acne Care. They're on the deal of spend 10 get $5 back. Pick up one acne exfoliating cleanser priced at $11.49. Use a $2 off digital coupon and you pay $9.49, get 5 back, making it just $4.49. My next deal is on Skintimate disposable razors. They are on sale for $6.99, no extra care box back. Pick up one. Use the $3 off digital coupon and you pay $3.99. Degree deodorants are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $3 back. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $6.29 and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.15. The 2 will total $9.44. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.44, get 3 back, making them $3.44 or $1.72 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner and they're on sale for $4.49. Pick up 2 for a total of $8.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $5.98 and you will get 3 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next hair care deal I have is on OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one 40% off and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $9.29 and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. Both will total $14.86. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.86, get 4 back, making them $6.86 or $3.43 each. Nivea body wash is back again this week and they're on the deal of buy 2 get $7 back. And I have 2 options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. Both body washes will total $11.98. Use a $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $9.98, get 7 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. Or you can pick up 2 women Nivea body wash priced at $6.99 each. The 2 will total $13.98. Use the $2 off Nivea digital coupon and you pay $11.98, get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. My next deal is on Dove Men Plus Care body wash. They are on sale for buy one get one half off and they are part of buy two get $4 back. Pick up 2 body washes priced at $9.39 each. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.70. These 2 will total $14.09. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $10.09, get 4 back, making them $6.09 or $3.05 each. The 22-ounce Olay body wash is on sale for $6.99 and it's part of buy 2 get 3 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay $13.98 and you get 3 back, making them $10.98 or $5.49 each. If you need Kellogg's cereal, the 7.8 to 14.5 ounces are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back, and we don't have any coupon. Pick up 1 and pay $1.99 for it. The Kellogg Pop-Tarts are on sale for $1.99. Pick up 1 and pay $1.99. My next deal is buy 2 get $1 back on Kleenex cubes or the rectangular boxes. They are on sale for 2 for $4. Pick up 2. Pay $4 and get $1 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. My next deal is on Pampers. They're on the deal of buy 3 get $10 back. Pick up 3 bag Pampers diapers. They're on sale for 3 for $33. Use a 3 off 3 digital coupon and you pay $30, get 10 back, making them $20 or $6.67 each. This week we have a spend 25 get $5 back, not the regular spend 30 get 10. And I have 2 options for this deal, but it's a limit of 1 per card. The first option is to pick up 2 Tide detergents on sale for $12.99 each. These 2 will total $25.98. Use 2 $3 off Tide coupon, 1 from Coupon 24 app and 1 from CVS app. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $19.98. Get 5 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. The second option I have is to pick up 1 Gain fabric softener on sale for $6.99, 1 Downy dryer sheets on sale for $6.99, and 2 Tide pods on sale for $5.49 each. These 4 items will total $24.96 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 25. If you're doing this deal, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you get your extra care box. Use 2 $1 off Tide coupon, 1 from Coupon 24 app and 1 from CVS app, and a $1 off Downy coupon from Coupon 24 app, and another $1 off Gain coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 4 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $20.96, get 5 back, making them $15.96 or $3.99 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.